we fuck your shit. OMG, I'm very sorry. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone.
So, you don't know how excited I am to finally be doing this video. I have legit been wanting to film this video for 5 months. I saw the tag 5 months ago. So it's going to be a makeup habits tag. As soon as I saw it on YouTuber Amy Lynn and Mel Thompson. I can't remember whose I saw first, but I remember as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god, that's awesome. I definitely have to do that. And one of my friends she kept saying that she wanted to film a video with me, and I was like, oh, that would be a perfect video to do. And we scheduled it 3 times, and she canceled on me every single time. And so then I just really never got around to doing it. I wasn't even gonna do it. And then I'm like, you know what? No, like, I'm gonna do it because I was so excited for it, and I still am. So let's get into it. Alright, so the questions. Number 1, how often do you wear a full face of makeup? Foundation, eyeshadow, contour, the works. Honestly, like 5 to 6 days a week. And I don't do like any of this half-assed like BB cream or tinted moisturizer or no makeup look. No, like if I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna go all out. It's all or nothing for me. And yeah, like usually, unless, I would say an average about 5, because I'm not, on my days off, like 1 or 2 days, I'm mainly just resting and then like doing laundry or things around the house. So, and I end up not leaving, so I don't need to put on a full foundation, you know, full makeup layer. Is your makeup more neutral or more colorful? I honestly think I'm like 50-50, because like I love me a good like brown smoky eye with, you know, gold or champagne, but then I also love like bright and bold colorful looks. So I'm gonna say 50-50. How long does it take you to do your makeup look? Well, there's 3 factors that have to be considered here. Well, really 2, but when I was first starting out with makeup, it took me forever. Like to do, it would take me like 30-45 minutes just to do my eyes. And then so it would take like an hour and a half to 2 hours to do everything. Now, I can get it done in an hour. But that's if I'm not distracted, listening to music, checking my phone, doing everything else but my makeup. Because today, girl, you don't even know, I was like preparing to film for like 4 hours. It was bad. It was bad. My ADD was in full flare today. Okay, number 4. Do you apply your foundation before or after you've done your eyeshadow? I do my eyeshadow first and then my foundation. And the reason, well, there's a couple of reasons. One is so, you know, there's no fallout on my foundation. And yes, you know, you can put translucent powder down to prevent the fallout from getting on your foundation. But when I was first learning how to do makeup, I always did my eyes first because It was horrible at first. I had no clue what I was doing, and it was a mess. We'll just say that. So I would have been wiping off all my foundation trying to fix my eyeshadow. So just after so long of doing it that way for so long, that just became my routine, my habit. Because once you do something so long, it's a habit, and that's what this is, the makeup habit tag. I'm so dark. Okay. What are some bad makeup habits you have that you can't stop doing? Pulling my eye for my eyeshadow, but like honestly, you know, people say that causes wrinkles. I want to see some evidence-based research on that, because I don't believe that. I mean, we tug out our face for every other aspect of makeup. Is that going to cause wrinkles all over our face as well? I don't believe that. So that's one of them. Another one, I used to be horrible at this. I am getting a lot better. It only happens maybe like once a month now, but falling asleep in my makeup. And I know it's the worst thing ever. And when I wake up, I have like, and I take my makeup off, I have like so much acne. Oh, it's the worst. And it's just globs everywhere, like never ending. It takes forever to get off. It's so much harder to get off. So those are probably my two worst habits. Number 6, do you use beauty influencers' techniques or your own techniques to apply your makeup? I would say a little bit of both. A lot of the different techniques I use are a combination of something I've seen an influencer doing or a YouTuber doing, and I tried it out and liked it. And so that's one case. The other case is I, like tweaked it a little bit to suit my personal needs and what worked best for me. And I like to, I like to take techniques from a lot of different people, and I'm trying to, incorporate new techniques instead of just doing like the same thing over and over. All right. Number 7, what is the one step in your makeup routine that takes the longest to complete? Eyes, no doubt. No question about it, eyes. I remember back in the day when I didn't know how to do more advanced look like this. I would just take an eyeshadow brush, a MAC eyeshadow, and be done. The simpler days. I would be ready in like 20 minutes. But those days are long gone. Long, long, long gone. Number 8. Number 8A. What is the one step in your makeup routine that you're okay with skipping? I would say priming sometimes. If I don't have time, if I have a 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer, I'll use that as my moisturizer. But if not, I just consider my moisturizer my primer. And I always, always, always moisturize. 8B, what is the one step in your makeup routine that you're not okay with skipping? Like everything. It's in between highlighting and buffing. Probably buffing. I don't know, one of those, but I swear, that just swirling illuminating powder on your face once your makeup's completed just smooths everything together and makes it just look so beautiful and airbrushed. But I love to highlight. Oh my god, look at this highlight, by the way. It's the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder. Okay. What types of makeup looks are out of your comfort zone? Like very big winged eyeliner, like cat eyes, like very big wings. Like you see mine, like that's about the furthest I'll go. That just is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I do want to, I'm trying to push myself to go out of my comfort zone. And you know, when I just like play around with makeup, like I practice, you know, doing things that are out of my comfort zone. They usually end up looking horrible, but you know, the more I do them, the better they get. Do you wear matte liquid lipstick, cream lipstick, gloss, or a mixture? A mixture. I like to wear matte liquid lipsticks on camera a lot because they stay on. Like in my personal life, it's like 70% of the time a gloss. Like I'm just a gloss girl. Anything glittery, glossy, iridescent, shiny, I like. Alright, next question. If you could only wear one shade of lipstick for the rest of your life, what would it be? Oh my god. Really? I'm gonna have to say Rose Madder by Jeffree Star, because it is just like a beautiful coral nude that could be worn with so many different looks. And if that's the color that I would have to wear, ooh, either that one or Skin Tight. I'm gonna stick with Rose Madder. Do you highlight and contour your face? I definitely highlight, probably way too much than I should. Contour, no. I bronze as like a light contour, but girl, I'm so fair that when I try and contour, it looks like I literally painted mud on my face. Like, it's not a good look for me. Like, I contoured my nose a little bit today, but just with bronzer. Like, I bought the Shade and Light palette, and I honestly, like, maybe used it twice. I ended up giving it to one of my friends. But I just could never find a contour shade that, like, suited my skin tone that I liked, and it was just an extra step. And girl, there are way too many steps in my routine already. So, next. Girl, bye to contour. What is the one step in your makeup routine that makes you feel the most complete? I would say lipstick, because that's what I do, like, absolutely last. Absolutely. Or lashes. Oh my gosh. It's horrible. No! Setting spray. That's my answer. Final answer. Setting spray makes my look feel complete. Alright guys, so that's all the questions that I have. Like, that, I think that went by super duper fast. If any of you out there would like to do this tag, I tag you. I don't know, you don't need anyone to tag you to make a video. You can do whatever the hell you want. So if you would like to do this tag, feel free. I will put the questions in the description box below, and let me know what you think. And let me know some of your like odd or interesting makeup habits in the comments below. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time.